Origo News.
Strong winds and rain leading to power outages in Lower Hudson Valley. On Friday, December 19, the Lower Hudson Valley is facing dangerous weather as intense winds combined with persistent rain move through the area, leading to slick road conditions and widespread power failures. A coastal flood advisory is in place for southern Westchester County and nearby areas of Connecticut until 1 p.m. In addition, a high wind advisory covers Westchester, Rockland, Putnam counties, and New York City through late Saturday night. Rainfall is projected to total between 0.5. Low-lying coastal and shoreline areas may experience flooding reaching up to 1 foot above ground level. Areas at increased risk include by mid-morning portions of the Bronx River Parkway were affected by flooding, though traffic was still moving through the area. Wind and rain impacts. Throughout the day on Friday, sustained winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour are expected, with gusts climbing to 50 or even 60 miles per hour in certain locations. The combination of strong winds and rainfall has already caused tree branches and unsecured objects to fall, resulting in multiple power outages. As of 9 a.m., outages were reported among thousands of utility customers across the region. Several roads in Westchester County were temporarily closed after trees fell across roadways, including sections of 9-121 in Lewisboro and 9-128 in North Castle. In Rockland County, officials cautioned that strong crosswinds on the Bear Mountain Bridge could pose risks for drivers. Outlook for the weekend. Rain showers are expected to persist through much of the day, with a possibility of thunderstorms before early afternoon. Temperatures were near 55. Wind gusts may continue to exceed 45 miles per hour in some areas. Overnight conditions will improve slightly as skies turn partly cloudy, but temperatures are expected to drop sharply to around 25. This rapid cooling may lead to icy road surfaces, especially where water remains. Wind chill values between 15 and 20 will add to the cold feel. Saturday should bring brighter skies with daytime temperatures near 37, though brisk winds will make it feel colder. Saturday night is expected to remain mostly cloudy, with lows around 30. On Sunday, conditions are forecast to be mostly sunny with highs reaching the mid-40s. Moderate winds will continue, and overnight temperatures may fall to the low 20s under mostly clear skies.
Origo News.